Hi everyone, I'm Thomas and I will show you how to create a part request for the rolling planning phase on the TTR pilot lines between Rotterdam and Antwerp for timetable 2021. We have published 12 paths per direction between Rotterdam and Antwerp, and these are published via PCS and can be requested via PCS. These are also published in the capacity model on the ECMT tool and can also be found as a list on the NoordSeaMet website. NoordSeaMet website, which looks something like this. And there you can find this Excel file. The Excel file which shows the details of the 12 paths per direction. We can select the path that we need, and for this exercise we can use the following one. You can have an overview. You find the overview of the weeks, of the weekdays available. You find information on the timings and etc. The easiest way is to take the prearranged path ID that you need and then go to PCS, and in PCS go to pub search, and in pub search you select everything you need. So we go for an RFC prearranged path. It's in the direction south to north. It concerns the North Sea Mediterranean corridor, and here you can click the path ID. If you are searching for this, if you press the search button, you will find the sections available and also an indication of the days available. So you see for the 3 sections, Antwerp, Essen, Roosendaal, Grens, Roosendaal, and Roosendaal Kijfhoek, it's available from Monday to Saturday. You can select all 3 and add selected to a new dossier. Important here is to put everything immediately in the right order. So first section seems to be correct, but the second section and the third are reversed. So it's important to do that immediately, because otherwise afterwards this is not possible anymore. You can immediately, in the second step, add path sections where needed. So Iskijn is entrance to the port of Antwerp, and here we need the shunting yard in the port of Antwerp. And for the sake of this exercise, we can choose, for example, Rotterdam. And the timing, you can enter this also immediately. Following step, you see client, the coordinating entity, and the IMs concerned. Train parameters work like any other dossier, except that for the sections concerning the prearranged path rolling planning, you have already some parameters which are linked to the published path. You cannot enter more train weight or more length, but of course you can have a smaller train, a shorter train, or a lower train weight. You can enter this later. So continuing the calendar, this is also important. You can select immediately the days that you want. Here we only want Tuesdays, and you have to check the availability. If all days are available, you will be able to proceed. Otherwise, you will be requested to make a tailor-made offer for the request not for the days not covered by published paths. Further, you see the territories for Belgium and for the Netherlands. And here, last but not least, you have to indicate the correct process type. Per default, this will be late path request or ad hoc, but important for this request, you ask for rolling planning, so you have to check for rolling planning. If not, the COSS will give you back the dossier and you will have to correct. You can then create your dossier, and for the rest, this follows all the process steps as any other dossier. If you would have any questions left, please feel free to contact your COSS. Thank you and good luck.